With a personal brand business, your story is your marketing, the things that you're learning about become your content, and your tips, tricks, and solutions to problems become your products. And a personal brand is a business where you teach what you know, you create content about the things that you're learning about, your interests and your hobbies are your niche, and you create content around the things that you love. I truly do believe that this is the best business model you can start in today's world because it's so accessible to literally anyone who has a smartphone and an internet connection. Wow, it's actually sunny out for like the first time in quite a while. So I got this pretty wild sun bouncing off the wall over here. And I don't know, this shot is kind of not looking the best, but I'll just keep talking. Hey everyone, if you're new to the channel, my name is Eric, and today I'm going to be talking about why I decided to choose a personal brand for my business. So when I left my job in 2022 doing photo and video work at an agency, I wasn't exactly sure what my next step was going to be. I knew that I wanted to start some sort of business, but I really could not decide on what that would be. I was just super confused with what to choose, and I didn't know what I could focus on that I'd be able to consistently work on long term without getting bored of. And I was just afraid that I would choose some sort of topic or niche that I would pigeonhole myself into and not be able to get out of in the future. I personally have way too many interests and hobbies and things that I'm interested in, so deciding on one of these things to talk about forever just seemed super daunting to me. Through my previous experience providing photo and video work to clients and then freelancing after I left my job, I knew that I didn't want to do client work as my long-term goal. Although client work is usually a great way to bridge the gap between your day job and what you're striving to build, it was just not in the cards for me. I knew that I didn't want to do it long term because typically with client work, you're working with a smaller budget, tight deadlines, and you typically have less creative freedom in your work. So this led to me steering away from the service style business. Service businesses are usually connected with time equals money, and I knew that I wanted to create something where my time didn't directly affect my income. I wanted to have the time freedom to work on what I wanted and build something that would make money without me directly putting time into it. One of the other biggest things for me personally was that I wanted to create a business that revolved around my passions, my experience, and what my calling was. After leaving my job at the agency, I really wanted to help people who were also going through a similar thing that I was, which was working at a job, knowing that I wanted to do something else, but not knowing how to bridge the gap. I stayed at that job longer than I wanted to, and that left me feeling really defeated when I finally did decide to leave. I knew I wanted to build a business and create a job for myself that I found purpose and passion in. I've always really enjoyed writing, storytelling, learning, and teaching. Eventually, I realized that these four things aligned perfectly with creating a personal brand, sharing about the things that you love and enjoy through educational content. With what I was building, I knew I wanted to be creative in my work. I knew I wanted to have time and schedule freedom. I knew that I wanted to make an impact through what I was doing, either through inspiration or encouragement. And then I also wanted location freedom. For my wife and I, this was a huge one for us because we wanted to jump in our Volkswagen van and travel around the US, checking out different states, different national parks, and just overall experiencing new places. Fortunately, we were able to do this for a while, both when I was working and then also when we left our jobs. And this is kind of what has led to us being where we're at right now and choosing the path that we're currently on. I wanted to be able to learn new skills, try new things, and take on bigger challenges compared to what a traditional job would typically offer. Because within a traditional job, you're usually confined to a specific role. And then finally, I wanted to be able to connect with others and build a community of other people who are feeling called to use their experience to serve others. This is what I'm personally doing with my school community right now. If you'd like to join that, I'll have a link down in the description. It's completely free, and we'll be building a community of other people who are passionate about serving others through their experience. I truly do believe that this is the best business model you can start in today's world because it's so accessible to literally anyone who has a smartphone and an internet connection. A personal brand also requires little to no capital to get started. Again, typically you just need a smartphone and an internet connection. Eventually, you can upgrade your equipment to create better content or higher quality things, but really to get started, you can keep it super simple. It's also amazing because you can simply just share content about the things that you love, the things that you're passionate about, or the things that you already have experience with. You can serve others through your story, you can find purpose through learning and educating, and you can even start it as a side hustle or just in your free time while working a day job. And then finally, you can literally craft this business to suit your specific calling. It doesn't matter what it is, you can literally use whatever your experience and your story is to encourage and equip others. When I quit my job in 2022, I was working a couple side hustles, but they really didn't align with what I was personally wanting to do for the long term. And it had to be something that I could stick to for the foreseeable future. This led me to the realization that I can build a personal brand. And a personal brand is a business where you teach what you know, you create content about the things that you're learning about, your interests and your hobbies are your niche, and you create content around the things that you love. I knew myself well enough that if I was going to commit to a business, it wasn't going to be sustainable unless it was something that I truly loved. And so with this, I spent way too long overthinking about my business, trying to decide what was best for me. I was consuming things on social media and YouTube and going through the motions, but I wasn't committing to taking any action. Eventually, I knew that I just needed to start, and so that's what I decided doing. And that's kind of what I did with starting this YouTube channel. So if you want to watch my story, just watch my videos through and see how I learn and grow through each one. With a personal brand business, your story is your marketing, the things that you're learning about become your content, and your tips, tricks, and solutions to problems become your products. One of my favorite things about a personal brand is you can personally connect with your viewers and customers. A lot of the people that you'll connect with through your content share the same questions, worries, and struggles. This could be in their personal lives, their business lives, or elsewhere. And when you use these things that you've personally overcome or achieved through your story, you can sell the solution to the things that you've overcome to the people who are just 1 to 3 steps behind you in your journey. Because people simply want to connect with other people. They typically don't want to give their money to some big corporation that they have zero personal connection to. They want to connect with someone who actually cares, understands, and appreciates their current story and struggles. This is all exactly what you're able to provide through a personal brand. It's a personalized product and message that connects with those who are similar to you. And the best part is, this is the most accessible business model you can start. We all have a story, we all have wins and losses, we all have things that we've overcome, and all of these things can be shared to connect with others. Through creating and sharing content consistently, you open up the door to create a community of other people who share similar interests and stories and goals. And eventually, these people become your tribe as you continue to create content, build a community, as everyone is working towards one common goal. And this goal can be anything that you personally feel called to. If you're anything like me and enjoy way too many hobbies and interests, a personal brand might be an amazing path for you to choose. Through a personal brand, people learn to enjoy your personality, not just your topic, your niche, or your product. This allows you to pivot in the future if you want to start sharing about something different, or if you want to talk about all your interests in one. That's just a great way to do it. Because if you have a certain business that only talks about a certain thing, you can't really pivot to talk about something else you're interested in because that'll lose the viewers or their customers' interest. But when you have a personal brand, people are attracted to you, they're attracted to your story, and they connect with that rather than just one specific thing. You are the creator and curator of how all of the different things that you've gone through in your life have shaped you into who you are today. That is what becomes your unique perspective that no one else in the world can replicate. Your story is what makes you unique. No one can do that or share that better than yourself. And no one in the world can compete with what you specifically have to offer. So that is why I'm building a personal brand and why you should consider it as well. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to join my school community with other creators, hit the link down below. I'll also have a link to my weekly newsletter down there. Make sure to hit the like button if you got value from this. Hit subscribe if you want to follow along. My name is Eric. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.